Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to share a solution for when your CCTV camera works fine during the day but stops working at night. Sometimes, you may also see a loading notification on your screen. The first step is to check the camera at night. Most CCTV cameras have night vision, which activates in low light conditions to provide a clearer view. If you notice that the red lights or infrared LEDs are blinking or not working properly, this usually means the camera is not receiving enough voltage to power both the camera and its infrared function. The solution to this issue is to replace the power supply. Over time, power supplies can experience voltage drops, affecting the camera's performance. To prevent this, it's best to place the power supply closer to the camera to minimize voltage loss. If you're looking for a high-quality power supply for your CCTV, you can check the link in the comment section. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.